everyone! So, I finally got my hands on the Worx Landroid M robotic lawn mower, and I've been putting it through its paces for a while now. My lawn is just under a quarter acre, and let me tell you, this little guy handles it like a champ. I used to dread mowing, but now, it's completely hands-off. I just set the schedule and let the Landroid do its thing. Setting it up was surprisingly easy. You basically lay down the boundary wire to define your mowing area, which, honestly, was the most time-consuming part. But once that's done, you're pretty much golden. The app is super intuitive. You can measure your lawn right from there, set custom mowing schedules, or even let the Landroid recommend a schedule based on your yard size and conditions. How cool is that? One of the things I was most impressed with is the AIA technology. I have some pretty narrow passages between flower beds, and my old mower used to struggle. The Landroid, though, it navigates those tight spots like a pro. No more awkward maneuvering or hand trimming those hard-to-reach areas. And speaking of trimming, the offset cutting disc on this thing is genius. It gets so close to the edge that I barely have any trimming left to do. It's a real time saver. Plus, it handles slopes up to 20 degrees, which is great because my yard has a few gentle inclines. Now, let's talk about the smart features. The rain sensor is a lifesaver. If it starts raining, the Landroid automatically heads back to its charging station and waits it out. No more worrying about getting caught in a downpour or cutting wet grass. And if it bumps into something like a tree or a garden gnome, it just backs away and keeps going. You can even exclude specific areas of your lawn if you don't want the Landroid to mow there. Another huge plus is the Worx Power Share system. I already have a few other Worx tools, and being able to use the same battery for everything is incredibly convenient. It saves me money and reduces clutter. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with the Worx Landroid M. It's made mowing my lawn completely effortless. It's quiet, efficient, and packed with smart features. If you're looking for a robotic lawn mower for a quarter acre or less, I highly recommend checking this one out. It's a game changer. It might seem like a bit of an investment up front, but the time and effort you save in the long run is totally worth it. I'm finally free from the tyranny of weekend mowing. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.